What if I told you the sun isn't silent? We've just never been able to hear it until now. NASA just released the actual sound of the sun, captured by the Parker Solar Probe, the first human-made object to literally touch our star on December 24th, 2024. Now, the sun is 150 million kilometers away, and out here on Earth, it feels peaceful. But don't let that fool you. The sun is a raging ball of plasma, constantly exploding with heat, radiation, and magnetic storms. And it's loud. Like 100 decibels loud. Think hairdryer level chaos, but cosmic. So why haven't we heard it before? Because sound can't travel through the vacuum of space. It needs air or particles to carry the vibrations. But Parker got so close that it could actually pick up the waves coming off the solar wind and translate them into sound. Yep, that's what the sun actually sounds like. Space isn't quiet. We've just been listening in the wrong way. If that blew your mind even a little, hit like and follow for more sounds from the universe.